This isn't just a hunt, it's a battle of instincts, patience, and sheer will. For seasoned hunters like you, it's about more than the thrill. It's about mastery. Out here, in the raw wild, it's man versus nature. And today, the wild boar stands in our sights. Stay tuned. It's going to be relentless, gritty, and unforgettable. When boars rush in a group, they make the hunter's job easier. No need for patience or precision. Just pick a target and shoot. The odds are always in the hunter's favor. In the wilderness, every move is critical, and every shot is decisive.
Hangisi?
Arkadan ikinci.
With the crosshair set, it's just the hunter and the boar in a silent standoff.
Tamam, daha çıkıyor. Dur.
The vast wilderness surrounds them, hunter and prey locked in silence. The boar roams the jungle, snuffling the ground, unaware of the hunter's game. A sudden sound, it freezes, ears perked.
Hey!
Curiosity lifts its head. Just as the hunter intended, the perfect shot is now in sight.
Go ahead.
When waiting for wild boars, you often cross paths with other creatures, some just as smart, if not smarter.
Kill him. Kill him. Ruh! Ruh! Kill him. And we're off.
But here's the thing, being too smart can get you killed. Sometimes it's better to act dumb, run, and never look back. The cool water offers a brief moment of peace, unaware of what looms above. What you're about to witness is a full-on massacre, raw, relentless, and unforgiving. Don't proceed unless you're truly ready for the brutality of the hunt. Please share your thoughts on this type of hunting. Do you see it as a necessary part of wildlife management, or does it cross the line? The hunt isn't just about taking down the beast. It's about embracing the challenge, the skill, and the connection to the wilderness that only true hunters understand. If this speaks to you, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more hunts that go beyond the ordinary. This is our passion, our craft, and our way of life. Together, let's keep it alive.
Chuck!